All right, today we're talking about something you probably think you know all about, honey. But we're not talking about the usual stuff. We're going to dive into its mysterious dark side. Get ready for buckwheat honey and the serious power hiding inside nature's dark nectar.
So when I say honey, what pops into your head? I bet it's something golden, light, super sweet, right? Well, get ready to have that image completely flipped on its head. We're about to meet a side of honey you probably never even knew existed.
Okay, so let's get right into it. We are exploring honey's dark, bold, and frankly, much more powerful cousin. This is buckwheat honey. It's kind of the black sheep of the honey family, and trust me, that's a good thing.
And this really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got your standard everyday honey. Light, golden, tastes like flowers, super sweet. But then, look at the other side. Buckwheat honey is a whole different beast. The color is this deep, dark amber, sometimes almost black. The flavor, bold, malty. And get this, it's actually less sweet.
Yeah, this quote just nails it. We are not talking about simple sweetness here. Imagine something bold, earthy, even malty, with these incredible hints of molasses and caramel. It's a really complex, robust flavor that doesn't need to hide behind anything.
So, the big question is, where in the world does this intense honey even come from? Let's get into its origin story, which, you guessed it, is just as surprising as the honey itself.
You'd think a honey this dark and strong would come from some kind of dark, dramatic-looking flower, right? Nope, it's actually the total opposite. It all starts with bees gathering nectar from these teeny tiny, delicate white flowers on the buckwheat plant.
And here's something we need to clear up right away, because it's a super common mistake. Despite its name, buckwheat has absolutely nothing to do with wheat. It's not even a grain. It's what's called a pseudo-cereal, which means it's more like a cousin to plants like quinoa or even rhubarb, and that's really key to why it's so unique.
So, what about that deep, dark color? Where does that come from? Well, it's all about the chemistry. Turns out, those little buckwheat blossoms are jam-packed with these compounds called polyphenols. So when the bees do their thing and turn that nectar into honey, that high concentration is what gives it that signature almost black color. Pretty cool, right? But that dark color is not just for looks. It's basically a giant signpost pointing to all the incredible power packed inside. So, let's talk about the health benefits, because this is where things get really impressive.
It really boils down to what I like to call the power trio. First, it's loaded with antioxidants. Second, it's a potent antibacterial agent. And third, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. These three things are why it has such a stellar reputation as a natural powerhouse.
Okay, let's zoom in on the antioxidants for a second. This isn't just some marketing buzzword. Buckwheat honey is genuinely packed with specific compounds, like flavonoids and those polyphenols we just talked about. And what do? Well, they're like your body's personal security team, fighting off these unstable molecules called free radicals that can cause damage.
All right, now for the real showstopper. I'm sure you've heard of Manuka honey, right? It's famous, it's expensive, it's known for its incredible healing properties. Well, get this. Research shows that the antimicrobial punch that buckwheat honey packs is so strong it can go toe-to-toe with Manuka. That is a huge deal.
Okay, so it's powerful, it's good for you, but what do you do with it? Well, this is where it gets really fun, because this honey is so versatile it belongs in your kitchen and your medicine cabinet. When you're cooking, that bold, malty flavor is your secret weapon. Think about it in marinades or barbecue sauces, it adds this incredible depth. It's amazing in baking, especially with things like gingerbread. And it is the perfect thing to drizzle over some sharp, strong cheese. Or hey, just stir it into your coffee or tea for a totally different kind of sweetness. And for that medicine cabinet, oh yeah, it's a go-to. Its thick, syrupy texture is amazing for coating and soothing a nasty cough or sore throat. All those antibacterial properties we talked about, great for supporting your immune system and can even help with healing little cuts and scrapes. And as a bonus, it's a prebiotic, which means it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. What can it do?
But the story here is bigger than just a jar of honey. When you choose buckwheat honey, you're actually having an impact that goes way beyond your own pantry. Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. First off, just as a sweetener, it's a no-brainer. It blows refined sugar out of the water. It's way more nutrient-dense, and it's got more minerals and those good-for-you antioxidants than most of the lighter honeys you'll find on the shelf. And this part is really cool. You see, farmers often plant buckwheat not to harvest, but as something called a cover crop.
It basically protects and enriches the soil. This creates this amazing partnership where beekeepers can bring their hives to these fields. The bees get great nectar, the crops get pollinated, and the soil gets healthier. It's a beautiful, sustainable cycle.
So what's the bottom line? When you buy buckwheat honey, you're not just getting this awesome, healthy food. You're actually supporting farmers and beekeepers who are doing things the right way, practicing sustainable agriculture. It really is a win for you and a win for them. So, from its totally unexpected origins to its incredible benefits for us and for the planet, buckwheat honey is, well, it's clearly not just honey. So the only real question left is, are you ready to embrace the dark side?